Kentucky couple accused of abusing 5-year-old son. In Middlesboro, Kentucky, a case has emerged that chills the blood and demands our attention. Ricky and Nichole North now stand accused of unspeakable acts against a defenseless child. The victim? Ricky's own 5-year-old son. The alleged abuse, triggered by something as innocuous as a homework assignment, reveals a disturbing capacity for cruelty. This wasn't discipline, it was torture. The details are harrowing, and the implications profound. Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. The charges leveled against Ricky and Nichole North paint a grim picture of sustained abuse. They face multiple counts, each reflecting a different facet of the alleged torment. The legal system must now weigh the evidence and deliver justice. Criminal abuse in the first degree is a central charge indicating severe physical harm. Tampering with physical evidence suggests a deliberate attempt to conceal their actions. The inclusion of strangulation underscores the life-threatening nature of the abuse. Adding to the gravity, both are charged with failure to report child-dependent neglect abuse. This highlights their alleged complicity in allowing the abuse to continue. The legal ramifications are significant and the potential penalties severe. The spark that ignited this alleged nightmare was unbelievably a homework incident. The child purportedly colored outside the lines, an act of childish imperfection. This seemingly minor infraction allegedly unleashed a torrent of abuse. The couple is accused of duct taping the child's arms and legs, a cruel form of restraint. This act alone speaks volumes about the alleged intent to inflict suffering. The use of duct tape suggests premeditation and a desire to control. Cold showers were allegedly used as a form of punishment, a method designed to inflict discomfort and fear. This tactic is particularly disturbing given the child's age and vulnerability. The intent appears to have been to break the child's spirit. The alleged physical assaults are particularly brutal. Punching, slapping, and choking are all listed among the accusations. These are not acts of discipline. They are acts of violence. The charge of body slamming is especially alarming, suggesting a complete disregard for the child's safety. The potential for serious injury was immense. This alleged act demonstrates a shocking level of aggression. Perhaps the most disturbing detail is the allegation of slamming the child's head on the ground. The method described is particularly horrifying. The child was allegedly held by the ankles and his head repeatedly slammed against the floor. The repeated nature of this alleged act suggests a deliberate attempt to inflict maximum pain and injury. The long-term consequences for the child could be devastating. This single detail encapsulates the alleged depravity of the abuse. Law enforcement officials have emphasized the severity of the alleged abuse, leaving no room for ambiguity. Their statements underscore the gravity of the situation. The investigation is ongoing, and the authorities are committed to uncovering the full extent of the abuse. The police statement describes the abuse as torture, cruel confinement, and cruel punishment. These are strong words reflecting the shocking nature of the allegations. The authorities are clearly taking this case very seriously. The arrests of Ricky and Nichole North on Sunday, March 30th, were the culmination of the initial investigation. This is just the beginning of a long legal process. The pursuit of justice for the child is paramount. Ricky North, 27 years old, and Nichole North, 24 years old, are currently held at the Bell County Detention Center. They await their day in court. The legal proceedings will be closely watched. Each is being held on a $100,000 bond, a reflection of the seriousness of the charges. This bond is intended to ensure their appearance in court. The community awaits further developments in this disturbing case. As of now, neither Ricky nor Nichole North has entered a plea. They have the right to remain silent and to seek legal counsel. The legal process will determine their guilt or innocence. Court records currently do not list attorneys for either defendant. This may change as the case progresses. The absence of legal representation at this stage does not imply guilt. This case serves as a stark reminder of the ever-present threat of child abuse. It underscores the urgent need to protect vulnerable children. We must remain vigilant and proactive in safeguarding their well-being. The alleged torture of a 5-year-old boy should galvanize us all into action. We must support organizations dedicated to preventing child abuse. We must also demand accountability from those who harm children. The consequences of child abuse are far-reaching and devastating. They can impact a child's physical, emotional, and psychological development for life. Early intervention is crucial to mitigating these effects. This case is not just a legal matter. It is a moral imperative. We must stand up for those who cannot stand up for themselves. We must ensure that justice is served and that this child receives the care and support he needs to heal. Let this horrific incident be a catalyst for change. Let us work together to create a world where all children are safe, loved, and protected. The future of our society depends on it. We must ask ourselves, what more can we do? How can we better protect the innocent? The answer lies in collective action, unwavering vigilance, and a deep commitment to the well-being of every child. This case is a tragedy, but it is also an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to strengthen our resolve to end child abuse once and for all. Let us not squander this opportunity. Let us act now. The silence surrounding child abuse must be broken. We must create a culture where children feel safe to speak out. We must empower them to seek help when they need it. This case is a call to action for all of us. We must be the voice for the voiceless. We must be the protectors of the vulnerable. We must be the champions of children. A healing process for this young boy will be long and arduous. He will need the support of his community, his family, and trained professionals. We must ensure that he receives the care he needs to recover and thrive. Let us remember this case not just as a story of horror, but as a story of hope. A hope that we can create a better world for our children. A hope that we can end child abuse forever. The responsibility to protect children rests on all of our shoulders. We must take this responsibility seriously. We must act with urgency and compassion. The lives of our children depend on it. This case is a stain on our society, but it is also a challenge to do better, to be better, and to create a world where no child ever has to suffer such abuse again. Let us rise to this challenge. The future of our children is in our hands. Let us not fail them. Let us protect them, love them, and cherish them. Let us create a world where they can grow up safe, healthy, and happy. This case is a reminder that evil exists in the world, but it is also a reminder that good can triumph over evil. Let us choose good. Let us choose hope. Let us choose to protect our children. The fight against child abuse is a fight for the soul of our society. It is a fight we must win. Let us join together and fight for a better future for our children. This case is a tragedy, but it is also a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Let us support this young boy as he embarks on his journey of healing. Let us show him that he is not alone. The scars of child abuse can last a lifetime, but they do not have to define a child's future. With the right support, children can heal and thrive. Let us provide that support. This case is a call for justice, but it is also a call for compassion. Let us remember the victim, and let us work to prevent future tragedies. Let us create a world where all children are safe and loved. The fight against child abuse is a long and difficult one, but it is a fight worth fighting. Let us never give up. Let us never lose hope. Let us continue to fight for a better future for our children. This case is a reminder that we must be vigilant in protecting our children. We must be aware of the signs of abuse, and we must be willing to speak out when we see something wrong. The lives of our children depend on it. The healing process for this young boy will be a marathon, not a sprint. He will need our continued support and encouragement. Let us be there for him every step of the way. This case is a tragedy, but it is also an opportunity to learn and grow. Let us use this opportunity to create a safer and more loving world for our children. The fight against child abuse is a fight for the future. It is a fight for the kind of world we want to live in. Let us join together and fight for a better future for all of us.